All right, let's have some more fun in the back row cars that hardly anybody even comes and sees. Here we go. 1939 Ford Standard Coupe. Look at this. 135 V8. Check that out. All right, they're asking $31,500 for that. Okay, interesting. All right, what do you think, everybody, huh? A lonely guy stuck in the back corner. Let's give these guys a little shout out. Why not, huh? Y'all know that. Diamond in the rough. What do you think? Look at the intern. Oh my God, look at this. Throttle, look at that. Yeah. All right. What do you think? Pretty cool. All right, let's go to the 1955 Chrysler New Yorker. Look at that. Chrysler New Yorker. All right, this one's for sale too. Back corner with the old Ford over here. Let's check out. Here's your specs. New Yorker hardtop, 331 Hemi, 2-speed automatic. Look at that. All right, they're asking $37,900 for that. Okay. What do you think? The color? Color kind of, it's shiny, but I mean, kind of an odd color to me. Kind of like a peach or whatever. Is it nice? Possibly. I'm not gonna make fun of it. Somebody painted it that way. They liked it. Oh my God, I love the gear shift on this. Look at this. Good old. Oh my God, good old days of cars. Jeez. All right, here we go. Another backside. All right, they're asking. It's that 1947 Chevrolet Fleetline Aero sedan, 350 V8. Here's your specs. All right, they want $28,900. All right, $28,900. No, everybody, I do not sell these cars. I just have fun just filming these for sale for everybody. Just something to do. I mean, they're for sale. Why not, huh? Y'all can comment about prices. Too much. No way. Yes, I would buy that. I mean, I'm just like showing people stuff. I mean, many people cannot get out and actually go see these places because they're far away. But I live nearby this Morgantown, Pennsylvania auto mall. And since I can get here, why not? They have thousands of classic cars for sale. And everyone can check them out. And they even got specs on everything, which is cool because a lot of car shows, they don't show that. Here's the 57 Chevrolet Bel Air. All right, they're asking $45,000 for this one. I'm just going to try to stay in the 70s group here, all right? Because new cars are kind of especially the one beside me. It's a 95, so I just... New cars just don't have the punch as these old cars do. Y'all know that. Oh, I love it, yeah. All right, here we go. Look at this one. All right, check out the specs and I'll go around to the interior. Here we go, here we go. 1970 Monte Carlo hardtop. Look at that, 350. Oh my God, look at that V8, jeez. All right, they're asking $21,900 for this. Okay. Sheesh, $21,900. All right. Hope everybody's 2025 is doing good. It's an interesting shifter. All right, Don't forget memories. Just comment memories if you have any of these. Okay, let's end up on this one. Chevrolet. All right, let's go around the sticker first so y'all can see. All right, this is a Chevy Impala. Look at this. Convertible 350 V8 3-speed automatic. All right, they're asking $28,900 for this. All right. Let's go to the interior as we finish up. All right, check this out. Good old interior shots. Thank God they leave the windows down. I like it. I wish the hoods were up too, but sorry everybody. If we could actually see the engines, that'd be awesome. You know that. But thanks for watching, everybody. See ya.